guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a color palette on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this photo. You can use a video as well. Go to effects and add in mosaic, blur it to its highest setting. I'm just going to be using these color palettes here that they have. Well, these colors, not these color palettes, sorry. And then you're just going to select mask. You're going to select rectangle, and I'm just going to place it on this one, copy and paste it, and then I'll select another piece here, copy and paste that, and just go around to different sections. It's not going to look the most perfect, but just do that one. Oops. Can I mask this properly? Oh. It's kind of the same, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just use a select a different color. Like this one. I'll select one more. Did we do this one yet? No, we did not. Or we did. Okay, that just looks similar. But maybe it's because it was on different background. Okay, let's just use this gray one. Just going to select everything, and I'm just going to scale it kind of up here. It's going to absolutely ruin the alignment, but I'm just going to try to place it next to each other as I possibly can. It's a little bit hard because of the extra stuff here. Maybe cropping it would be a little bit easier, to be honest, but we're already here, so. Where is that orange one? Is it this one? No. Oh, I think it's the first one, yeah. Just going to then add a text here. So I'll just be using this color picker, select it, and as you can see it's this one. Place it on top and change the text color, because you're going to want to see the color code of it, and you're just going to do that for all of your colors. But that's essentially it, really. You're just going to find the color codes of these colors. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.